Want to restore the shape of your body after childbearing? Have you noticed significant changes in your body after pregnancy, such as eliminated abdominal muscle tone, deflated breasts, weight increase, stretch marks, and fat and skin around the abdomen? HDEsthetic can restore the figure and confidence you had before giving birth with a Mommy Makeover. Mommy Makeover is a combination of cosmetic surgeries including breast augmentation. Breast lift corrects the breasts of women that may have experienced sagging or volume loss. Butt lift improves the contour, size, or shape of your buttocks. Tummy tuck restores the abdomen by eliminating fat and skin to tighten abdominal muscles. Liposuction restores the body's natural contours that may have been lost during pregnancy. Laser Vaginal Rejuvenation corrects vaginal relaxation and urinary incontinence after childbirth. It will enhance vaginal muscle tone, strength, and control for enhancing sexual gratification. Contact Dr. Antun, member of the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, for a free consultation call, 305-668-2853.